Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and have I got a treat for you. So our last video that just came out is all about how you can manage your business and a relationship, and we know it's been a little while since you guys have seen us, but there's good reason. There's a few upgrades we've been making behind the scenes and a whole lot of awesome things coming, including our brand new microphone. We've been working on the studio here, a little bit of a setup. And in this video today, we're going to talk all about the newest piece of equipment. Yes, we did a thing again. We have yet another piece of equipment added to the J&E Eclectic Studio, and you're never going to guess what it is. Okay, well, you might guess, but it's going to be super cool when we reveal it. So stick around in this video so you can find out exactly what it is. And what's in the box? We got a little care package here from Ricoma that we're going to open in this video. So make sure you stick around and find out what's the new piece of equipment that we've added to the shop. I'll give you a hint. It's not from Ricoma. We don't actually know what's in this box. What's in the box? But I will give you a hint. The new piece of equipment in the shop has something to do with these awesome vinyl die cut stickers. Woo! So if you want to find out more about what's going on in the shop, stick around. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys, that's exciting. So by now you don't have to guess it anymore because you've seen it. That is the Mimaki UCJV300-130. I know that's a mouthful, but basically it's the UV printer from Mimaki, the 300 series, and the 130 is in regards to the actual print size, which is 54 inches. So yeah, Esley and I went to the Graphics Expo in Long Beach, and while we were there, we were actually looking at a couple of different things, laser cutters potentially, and UV printers. And one of the first things we saw when we walked in was a 42-inch Mimaki. We watched it doing a couple of amazing prints, and it was the 42-incher. So we asked, where's the 60 and the 54? And as we kept walking around, we did find one, and I ended up buying the one right there on the showroom floor that they had just set up. So they were unboxing it and setting it up right there. And Esley and I just kind of went back and forth looking at it, and we're like, yeah, you know what, that'd be pretty awesome in the shop. Trying to figure out a room where would it fit. So that's why it's been a few weeks. We haven't put out a whole bunch of content. We did drop that last video about managing your business and your relationship, so definitely go check that out. But the reason is we were painting that whole room, which is a huge living room, moving in a giant 64-inch Graphtec plotter cutter and the huge Mimaki UV printer. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit closer look at some of these stickers. So this sticker here I actually printed first in just regular matte. Let me line it up for you. But as you can see, the sheen, get the light to kind of reflect off of it. There you go. That's actually a clear gloss coat. So one of the things amazing about the UV printer that we have now, the Mimaki, is that it actually can print clear coats. It can print any of the artwork in clear, and it can print in white. So it does full CMYK and clear, white, because there's two clears and two whites. It's a double print head machine. This thing is a beast. So a couple more examples, since I know everybody loves stickers. Okay, and then here's just a white print. So I know this one actually is white vinyl, but we did print the white ink on top. And you could tell when there's actually white ink when it's printed on a clear or on a holographic film. But definitely more to come. And then of course, let me line that sucker up. We had to just do a couple of our logos because, naturally, right? But there'll be a whole lot more. Okay, one more for the spooky season. Okay, there's gonna be a whole lot more coming from that printer. So we've been just kind of diving in the last few weeks into the training, and a lot of it is going on behind the scenes in the artwork. So one of the amazing things that this printer does, it can print 5 layers. So I mentioned CMYK, clear and white, that it prints. we can actually print 2 different images on a clear material, like a window cling. For example, if I wanted one side of a window to show Spider-Man's head, and then you walk into the store and on the other side of the exact same print, it's actually Venom. We can do that by printing in 5 layers, and there'll be more videos to come on all the cool things we're doing there. But the main thing I wanted to point out was if you or somebody you know wants some amazing UV printed, which is just, I can't explain how awesome these are, especially in person. Just the touch and the feel, you can layer these. So if you wanted to actually feel the lines around the brain on this sticker, we could just add another clear coat in just that area on the artwork, and it'll actually raise it. So you can create textured stick. There's all kinds of amazing labels. Anyway, the possibilities are endless. I'm gonna start rambling, but that's the new machine in the shop. So definitely, if you guys want some stickers, you already know, hit us up on Instagram, JE_eclectics. Hit us up right here on YouTube in the comments. You can hit us up on our website, jeeclectics.com. You know by now, Facebook, everything. You've got all the contacts. They'll be popping up in the video. So let's get to what's in the box. So real quick, I just want to point out, Ricoma is not sponsoring this video. Ricoma has not paid us. We're not being paid anything for these videos. We actually met with the wonderful folks at Ricoma at an event we went to early on in this year in Florida, and we learned a lot. There was a ton of value there, and it was the Deco Summit, which we plan to go to again. And maybe if I play my cards right, I will be able to be a guest speaker like I've been planning and hoping. Just talking about kind of starting your own business, some entrepreneur stuff, motivating people. But we've been putting out some content because we love our Ricoma MT1502, and we love our Mighty Hoop and all the accessories. And so Ricoma, as just a thank you, no strings attached kind of thing, was like, hey, you know, it was great meeting you guys. Keep up the good work. We love seeing your content. Sent us a care package, and I have no idea what's inside. I've been wanting to open it. They actually sent it a couple of months ago, but as you guys are going to find out soon, there's been so much going on behind the scenes. I haven't had time to put out content or to open this box. I actually was gone for a while filming a TV show. What? So there's going to be way more to come on that in the future as well. In the meantime, let's find out what's in the box. So I have scissors. And here's the thing. I got to be sure to do this right the first time. So that if I don't open the box the right way, I don't want to have to retape it, because I honestly, we've got no idea what's in here. We'll do some creative editing on this so you don't have to. Okay, scissors just in case. Oh, real quick, Thai tea pause. All right, crack this sucker open. So let's see, I don't know what's the best camera angle. There we go. Oh, okay, fancy. How do you think beyond? Ambassador program. What is an ambassador? What? An ambassador is someone who loves the Ricoma brand and wants to help spread the word about our products and services. Yeah? Well, you came to the right place. Can't brag enough about the people at Ricoma and the machines. Okay, wow. This is just the pamphlet that was at the top of the box. There's so much content to read. Wow. Okay, we're gonna pull this real quick. Tips for posting engaging content on social media. Wow. So this is like very clever put together package to help us become better ambassadors. Wow, this is really cool. I honestly feel very privileged to be an ambassador for Ricoma. So if you guys haven't heard our story, Esley and I were in Florida as customers at the Deco Summit, just trying to learn and grow our business, get some ideas. And the people there were so wonderful, and we barely slept each day because we were so inspired. Honestly, we were dictating notes, talking all kinds of stuff all night. We wrote a little 2-pager that we actually gave to Henry on a couple of things that we thought could help make the Deco Summit be even better, you know, year after year. And then we just started putting out content right away. They recommended it. Honestly, shout out to Ricoma, because we wouldn't have a YouTube channel if they didn't recommend it while we were there that weekend, that we start putting out content. So yeah, definitely. You know, we shot content on a Ricoma in the past, and one of our worst habits was just getting out and knocking out orders and forgetting to turn the cameras on. And these guys were like, man, missed opportunity. Get out there, put the content out. So we've never had, I don't know how to say that. We've always had great things to say about Ricoma, about the equipment, how much fun it is to use, what it feels like to actually custom embroider something for your customers. And this is just, okay, there's so much stuff in here, I feel like it would take too long to go through and read all of it. Oh, what? An 8-in-1 hoop set. Oh, I feel like I just spoiled the big reveal. Is that what's in here? Okay, let's get to the goodies. Let's put this to the side. Thank you. Definitely want to read more about being an ambassador for the brand. Okay. It wouldn't be a Ricoma package if they didn't include something stitched. That's stitch line. Very nice. All right, we got some swag. Oh, what? They got a shirt in here too? Think big, think bold, think beyond. Ricoma. Wow. I feel like it's my birthday or Christmas or something. We got a Ricoma water bottle. Very nice. There's so many of these cool little fillers trying to dig through. Okay, there's a box in here. Let's get this guy out. Woo. Okay, we're gonna set down those goodies real quick. Oh, and a bag. A canvas bag. That's something actually we needed at Deco Summit. You're gonna need bags. Make sure if you guys see tickets to the next Deco Summit, you go if you're interested in starting your own apparel or custom anything. That's the type of event for creators. The 8-in-1 device. This is awesome. So Esley and I got the Mighty Hoop a few months back, and it's been one of the greatest additions to our shop. Just streamlining production, making life so much easier to actually hoop certain things, especially left chests or any chest. But left chest logos we knock out all the time, and the Mighty Hoop has been amazing. One thing we've been wanting to try for other things like hats and beanies and just different shapes and sizes of material has been an 8-in-1 device. So I'm not gonna open this and pull out every little piece here, but, oh look. So we can see it on the back. 8 frames, special embroidery. All right. 8 frames. This hoop is designed for embroidery on small and difficult to hoop items such as shirt sleeves, pockets, socks, ribbons, CD cases, clutches, the back of caps, and so much more. Okay, there's a ton of different, well, a ton. There are 8 different hoops in here. We're definitely gonna get to these in another video. Thank you so much to Ricoma. I don't want to go too deep into unboxing that because there's a lot of paperwork in there that I want to read that I'm sure is probably enough for a whole nother video. But I just want to say thank you to Ricoma. Thank you so much for the care package, and I'm glad that you consider us ambassadors for your brand, because ever since we got our machine, we've had nothing but amazing things to say about the machine itself. And then after meeting the people that are working over at Ricoma, when we took our trip to the Deco Summit, you just couldn't find a better group of people, let alone professionals. And I said this to them there, and I think I've said it before in other videos, it is so great to find a company that doesn't stop working for you after they get your money. And what I mean by that, if any of you have been looking into embroidery or you're thinking about getting a machine, trust me, go to Ricoma. Just the technical support is amazing, but there's so much content already out there that you don't even need to pick up the phone and call Ricoma. They've already put out a video for almost anything you can think of that may be a hurdle that you run into, or if you want to learn how to do something. There's just so much going on. They've built an amazing community behind all of their products, and they really get their value out of helping you grow. So I already sound like an ambassador, I guess, and maybe that's the point. But thank you so much to Ricoma for encouraging us to get out and actually start this channel. And I know we post a lot of content of us doing tons of things outside of just embroidery. But if you're looking for an embroidery machine, if you're looking for direct-to-garment printing, they have so many different, they've got heat presses, they've got the Rico, they've got, I believe, white toner. There's just a ton of things that can help you with your custom apparel over at Ricoma. So make sure, check the links in the description below. Use our affiliate links. It'll cost you nothing. It'll help this channel keep growing. And I just, again, for the 50th time, thank you to Ricoma. This package is amazing. We're feeling the love, and hopefully you guys are feeling it as well. And I look forward to Esley and I getting down in the shop with that 8-in-1 and testing it out. So that's it. That's it for the video today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel again. Hopefully the audio sounds a lot better with this brand new mic. We're still figuring it out, right? It's a whole lot of new equipment in here, but honestly, it's getting better each time. So hopefully the content looks better on your guys' end. But you guys already know where to find us right here on YouTube. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you like this type of content, you love the new printer, you want to get some stickers, or you think it's awesome that we're ambassadors now for Ricoma, woohoo! Leave that down in the comments below. We'd love to answer any questions you guys have, or if you've got ideas for other content you want to see from us, or see us do something specifically in our shop, drop that in the comments below too. You guys can hit us up on Instagram at JE_eclectics, right here on YouTube, at Facebook, or on our website, jeeclectics.com. And if you guys, you know already, if you want to get custom swag or stickers or anything, hit us up at one of those contact points, and we'd love to help you guys out. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing the new machine in our shop and what was in the box, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.